One of the worst feelings as a man is when you dig a woman, everything's going great, and then she loses interest overnight. In this video, we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about why she loses interest overnight. So this is it in summary. I can literally come up with 10 different reasons why she loses interest overnight. Let's start with number 1. She found somebody more attractive than you. Number 2, she found somebody with more money than you. Number 3, she found somebody with a better body than you. Number 4, she found somebody with better hair than you. Number 5, she found somebody with a better car than you. Number 6, she found somebody that wasn't a virgin. Number 7, she found somebody that wasn't Italian. She found somebody that was Italian. That would be number 8. Number 9 would be she found somebody that was German. Number 10, and that would be she found somebody that isn't you. So what am I getting at here? What am I getting at here? There's always going to be better options, okay? There's always going to be something better, worse, better. There's always going to be options. And what am I saying? If you are making her emotionally invest in you, and if you are your most attractive self, all of those other options won't exist, okay? She's losing interest overnight because what's happening is the attractive version of you that she saw started to wane. And when that waned, now the other things that were there, they were there all along, by the way, but why is she suddenly noticing that shit now? Because your light has been put out a little bit. Your brightness in the atmosphere has been put out a little bit and it's darker. So the other lights show up. And all you have to do is turn that brightness factor back up. Okay, what is that? Brightness factor is basically everything about you. It's your confidence, it's how you communicate, it's your vibe, it's your personal habits. All of that makes that up. So maybe you stopped going to the gym when you saw her. Maybe you stopped working so hard. Maybe you made her the number one priority and that lowered her attraction a bit. And so your only motive right now should be, how can I get back to who I was for me? Okay? And you know what? Who cares about her? Who cares about her? And the odds are she's going to come back. Okay? The odds are her attraction is going to go up again. I just want to let you know that. But you have to do this for you. Okay, this is not about always getting the girl. This is about you, brother. And understand there's always going to be somebody better looking than you, wealthier than you, stronger than you, bigger than you. I mean, the list goes on. But are you going to live your whole life thinking about what you're not? No. You need to think about what you are. Focus on your strengths. Because the thing is, you have things that other guys don't have. You might be funnier than 90% of the men out there. Sure, you might be fat, but you're funnier than 90% of them. Or you may not be as funny, but you're successful and you have an incredible physique. You have incredible strength in the gym. Let that part of you shine. Always strengthen your strengths. Don't always try to strengthen what you're not good at, because it really just shows that you're not really happy with who you are. You're always looking at what you're not. That lowers your confidence. And that's why you'll see guys, they try to put on this comedy skit when they're really not naturally that funny. And of course you can develop that over the years. I'm not saying you can't, but when you're trying to be somebody you're not, it comes across as very, very fake. And it really just shows that you're trying too hard. So understand, if she loses interest overnight, it's because odds are she got focused on somebody else, or she is just focused on other things, as where you were occupying her mind before because your light was bright. So all you have to do is get the light brighter. Focus more on your goals. Get back to the confidence you had early on. Maybe early on you didn't text her as much. Maybe early on you weren't as available. That's a big one. So think about what I said today. I encourage you to book a one-on-one coaching session with me, and I can help you with your individual problems. Have a great day. Be empowered.